Hi, this is Eric, Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the power cord on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new power cord for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The power cord is responsible for delivering power from the house to the main control board. If the power cord is broken or damaged, the washer may not start or may not turn on at all. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws from the back of the washer. Open the washer's lid. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the hinge on the right side of the washer as you lift the lid. Then slide the lid to the right as you lift to remove it. 2 clips hold the console assembly to the washer. Looking through the slot that the door sits in, depress one of them using a flathead screwdriver while lifting on the console to free that side. Then repeat the process with the other clip. Next, lift the console assembly and rotate the top forward, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Then, disconnect the encoder boards. Then, using your phone, take a photo to reference for later. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the ground wire screw. Then, disconnect the ground wire. Next, disconnect the connector from the EMI filter. Then, disconnect the connector from the main control board. We have found when removing the power cable that you will need to lift the top panel off to be able to reach this tab on the power cable. Next, place some tape here to avoid scratching the frame of the washer when removing the lid. Insert a putty knife between the top panel and the cabinet here. Next, gently slide the top panel forward just far enough so that the top panel is beyond the retainer. Here's the tab on the top panel that you are trying to lift so it does not get caught on this retaining tab. Then, repeat the process on the front left side. Then tilt the top panel back. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, gently depress the retaining tabs on the bottom side of the power cord to free it from the top panel. Then set the top panel back down and slide it back into place. Gently peel back the back panel and pull the power cable free. If you need to purchase a new power cord, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the power cable to the top panel and push it into place. Then connect the cable to the EMI filter and the main control board. Next, reconnect the ground wire and install the screw. Then, connect the encoder board to the main control board. Next, align the console to the washer and push into place. Next, align the hinge on the lid to the slot on the washer. Then, depress the hinge on the right side and slide the lid into place. Then, on the back of the washer, reinstall the 6 screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.